How about landslide? Landslide? Yeah, okay. Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the season of my mind? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you, weaning with shame. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I lived my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. Take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain, I turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide, bring it down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it. Landslide will bring it down. Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful. Thanks, Sweetie Machine. Hey, Boozhoo. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and with me today, the lovely and the talented Natasha. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Johnny Depp. I know everybody's, oh gee, that poor Johnny Depp. And birds slapped him around. I read of they were bruising. There's a lot of guys there left to put up with a lot of nonsense. Damage. Women who had bad dads. Women who got burned in high school. Women who thought they were in love with somebody, took a baby with them, and then ran away. You're there to pick up the pieces. You're like, hey honey, let's have a relationship. She's got all this baggage. She won't trust you. Lights will guide your home. She got self-esteem issues. Your bones, and I will try to fix you. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I'm just out to find better part of me. I'm more than a bird. I'm more than a plane. I'm more than some pretty face beside a train, and it's not easy to be me. I wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie, but a home I'll never see. It may sound absurd, but don't be naive. Even heroes have the right to bleed. You may be disturbed, but don't you conceive. Even heroes have the right to dream, and it's not easy to be me. Up and away, but it's alright, and it's alright. We can all stay down tonight. I'm not crazy. So you say. Or anything. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. Men weren't meant to ride with a cloud between their knees. I'm only a bird, silly red sheep, digging for kryptonite on a one-way street. A man in a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me. Inside of me. Inside of me. Yeah. Inside of me, inside of me. I'm only a girl in a funny red sheet. Only a girl looking for her dream. I'm only a girl in a funny red sheet, and it's not easy. It's not easy to be me. Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful guitar playing. Way to go, Niji. Michael Lyons on the guitar. and you have been watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast on the Ojibwe language. No one can blame you for walking away. Too much rejection, nah. No love injection, nah. Life can be easy. It's not always swell. Don't tell me truth hurts you, little girl. It hurts like hell. But down in the underground, you'll find someone true. Down in the underground, a land serene, a crystal moon. Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and this is Natasha.
Boozhoo!
And this is everybody else. On the guitar, Michael Lyons. Gotta get me out of here! I'm underground. Gotta get me out of here. I'm underground. Oh yeah. Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. How you doing, sweetie?
Oh, doing great.
All right. That's a good way to start a show, huh?
Oh, yeah.
together.
That's right, Paul.
And music can bring us that much closer together. And when we sing, we're definitely a group. So don't be shy. It's going to feel really good. Here's what we want you to do. We'll sing it for you. It goes like this. Your turn.
Ooh, la 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 la.
We'll do it again. You go.
Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely, don't patronize. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just give me that, and I'll give up the fight. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. And I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. I can't make you love me. If you don't, if you don't.